What's up guys, Everything Apple Pro here. Another year, another set of new iPhones, and I've been waiting for these for the longest time. So excited. The iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro. Now these are Apple's most durable iPhones ever, with 4 times the drop resistance over the iPhone 11, thanks to a new technology called Ceramic Shield. These are nano ceramic crystals grown on top of the glass, made by Corning or in collaboration with Corning, stronger than the latest Gorilla Glass Victus. I want to put that to the test. Now the iPhone 12 has an aluminum border. iPhone 12 Pro is surgical grade stainless steel with flat sides now, all new design. So that should help with durability, the new glass. So let's go ahead and dig in, see what we got, and put the claims to the test. All right, and here's that slimmer packaging, about half of that of the 11 Pro series. This is in the new blue color. Oh, wow. It actually looks so much different than what you see online. And I'm so nervous. The first flat-bodied iPhone since the iPhone 5S or SE series. Wow. And we got some sort of screen protector shield here. So much thinner than it looks in pictures. 7.4 millimeters and flat sides. My goodness. The blue, not a big fan of this color. The sides look great. Let's power that on. Got the millimeter wave antenna band right there. It's just after doing leaks on these bad boys for so long, holding it. Wow. Great job, Apple. Inside, no power block. This time around, only one Apple sticker. More eco-friendly there. And a USB-C, not a braided one, as reported. Pacific blue. Oh, wow. Okay, this is it. Somewhat reminiscent of midnight green on the 11 Pro series. Wow, that feels solid. So this one is 15 grams heavier than the iPhone 12, and that could play a factor in the durability. So that's why I want to test both of these. And there's that new LiDAR sensor. Overall camera layout, pretty much unchanged, a much smaller mic input there. Oh my goodness, this is gonna hurt so bad to drop. And let's check out the gold. So the gold version actually has a magnetically finished material or coating. So this is the most scratch resistant, the gold version, surprisingly. The back, not as gold as before, but the bands, beautiful. Oh, and by the way, I'd like to mention, we are doing a giveaway. So one iPhone 12 Pro series, one iPhone 12 series, and 3 sets of AirPods. Link down below on phonerebel.com, 2 ways to sign up. And by the way, we are doing a promo. 15 off on Phone Rebel cases using Pioneer 15. Help us out. We are building Gen 2 right now. No release date yet, but it will be pretty soon. We're in production. And something I'm excited to show you. So we have an adapter that's going to work with our Gen 1 cases to bring MagSafe to older iPhones. And of course for Gen 2. Okay, let's set these up. I want to use one as slow-mo and get into that drop test. Wow. So the bezels are almost half a millimeter thinner. And you can definitely tell, my goodness, this changes the experience completely. It's so flat. The glass doesn't rise out at all. I think that'll make a huge difference in the drop test. Marveling at the flat body look. I didn't know I wanted it this bad until I held it. So as always, we'll go through 3 series, waist height, head height, and then go even further to 10 feet. And we'll start with the aluminum iPhone 12 in 3, 2, 1. And here we go on the 12 Pro. 3, 2, 1. Not a very violent impact. Both still good here. Apple says that the flat edges do help, although wow, it's dented. It's quite a dent on the 12 series here just from a waist height fault. On the 12 Pro, scuffed, but no deformation in the metal as it is much tougher. Wow, I did not think that from a waist height it would bend that much. It's crazy. On its rear, now the rear only has dual ion glass, so it's not as durable as the front. You still want to protect it, most definitely. I have a feeling the rear definitely will break first. 3, 2, 1. Okay, mute switch went off, so definitely registered some sort of impact. 3, 2, 1. Okay, no cracks yet. So held up nicely. So far so good, nothing to report from that one. Now let's test out that ceramic shield. 4 times as durable as the iPhone 11, the toughest glass in a smartphone ever. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Looks okay to me. 3, 2, 1. Flat smack Okay, all good on the 12 Pro series. All good on the iPhone 12. I just love how seamless it is. It's just barely raised. Okay, let's move it up to head height as both have survived here. So iPhone 12, head height, 3, 2, 1. That's on its side. And iPhone 12 Pro, head height, 3, 2, 1. Kind of lean towards face down, but wow. Okay, so we got quite a bit of scuffing here. You can see the natural color of the stainless as it's scratching away there. Oh, okay, so the 12 series also. Now I'm seeing even more deformation here in the aluminum, so wow, that's gonna look ugly. That's a massive shard of aluminum that's jutting out. Otherwise, the glass is uncracked. And on the rear, dual ion glass, 1, 2. Actually, let's take a look at that. Oh, wow. Still not broken. And the iPhone 12 Pro series. In 3, 2, 1. Another smackdown. So two things happened. Also went into vibrate mode and the SIM card tray just popped out on its own accord. But no break. Incredible. Look at these stresses these phones can go through and not break. Let's put those ceramic shield crystals to the test. In 3, 2, 1. A nice smack there. Still not broken. My goodness. And the 12 Pro series, 15 grams heavier, 3, 2, 1. Perfectly flat fall, still not broken. That's mental. So I believe the 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max survived up until this point. Now we have to go even further. Overall condition seems stable aside from scratched and dented bodies. Oh, and my goodness, I did not see that. So that's a line of dead pixels. So the displays on these are thinner than on the 11 Pro series. I think that's partly why they were able to make the frames thinner. And that's because they incorporated the touch layer with the display layer. This may be because of that. So the glass itself doesn't break, but the screen portion underneath is suffering. Okay, time to get the ladder out. And we got to go to 10 feet as simply was not enough. I am impressed. Ceramic shield, more than marketing. Clearly, it's working. Battered, bruised, but not broken. And dropping as close as I can get to 10 feet in 3, 2, 1. Oh, okay, that was on its back. 2, 1. And wow, no break. Did stop recording. The camera's not working. So that's the last thing this camera saw before stopping. The glass didn't break. The glass remains durable, but there are still other components inside the phone which may stop working. iPhone 12 Pro series with dead pixels, unbroken glass. 3, 2, 1. On its face, also 1. These are not as aerodynamic as the 11 Pro series. Still working. Camera was still good. Let's swap between them. Yep, all good. Nothing broken, 10 feet. I am believing these claims. This is not marketing. The glass is better. Even though we have broken pixels and a broken camera, glass is still unbroken on both. And straight on the back with the 12 series here. In 3, 2, 1. That's got to be a break. The mute switch went off. Come on. And I'm going to go to the left here. In 3, 2, 1. These honestly sound different when dropping versus the 11 and 11 Pro series. Okay, so there's that. That one did break, and this one did break. So flat on the back from around 10 feet here. That's where the claims end on the 12 and 12 Pro series. And let's see what kind of a break it is. So yeah, this does jut out. It's not terrible, but I think it still would cause you to bleed. I mean, that took a lot of abuse. SIM card tray came out here too. Now the phone is a little bit warped. Yeah, it's definitely a little bit bent. It's going like that. And the 12 series, yeah, that's bent too, like a little banana. Hard to see, but it is warped, like the space-time fabric. And the final test, ceramic shield, which is yet unbroken after multiple falls. Dual ion glass on the back is broken. The one that broke the camel's back. In 3, 2, 1. So that was a side fall. I don't think it broke. I have to redo that one. On the 12 Pro series, in 3, 2, 1. Smackdown. If only gravity didn't do these things to our phone. Okay, there it is. Ceramic shield, finally broken. This one is not as, actually doesn't protrude at all. A little bit here on the bottom. Still working swimmingly. Camera's still working. And way before that, we got some dead pixels on the screen. Still, I'm very proud of the durability. Are you surprised? I'll redo this one. Yeah, it's bending quite a bit. I might be prone to bending with extreme falls like this. Last fall, face down. 3, 2, 1. I don't think that one broke. Just by how high it jumped, you can see how much force it's returning. Still performing nicely here, okay? So yes, Apple ceramic shield is very durable. It took a 10-foot fall face down for it to finally break on the 12 Pro series. It did not on the 12 series. The back, not as durable. It's using last year's glass. The frames are prone to bending with extreme and repeated drops. So you still would want to protect against that. And even though the screen may not break, other things may happen like these broken pixels and the camera not working. So you still want to protect your phone with a proper investment. Phone Rebel Gen 2 cases will be the most durable iPhone cases for the most durable iPhones. And I think you guys will love the comfort on them. They're coming soon in production. Stay tuned. Otherwise, thanks for supporting our Gen 1. We are doing a 15 off promo for now. Thanks for watching. That's the iPhone 12 and 12 Pro series. I'll have more videos up for you soon. And don't forget to enter into our iPhone 12 and 12 Pro giveaway. Links down below. Peace.